Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a makeup tutorial on this look. It is fun, colorful, bright on the eyes, but we still got that fresh, dewy skin.
This video is sponsored by Neutrogena, so I'm going to be using 4 products from Neutrogena in this tutorial.
I wanted to do a blue liner look because I've been into the color blue lately. So before we get into it, please make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated whenever I upload new videos. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know that you liked it. And come follow me on Instagram too, because you guys will find me on Instagram when I'm not on YouTube. And now we can get into the tutorial.
Just before we get started, I'm using a little bit of lip balm. This one is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Lip Balm. And to prep my under eyes, I'm also using a little bit of eye cream. This one's from Oh Hi. It's a new brand at Urban Outfitters, and I just used like a little pea-sized amount and dabbed that under my eyes. And then I moisturized my skin with MAC Strobe Cream. Starting with my base, I'm starting with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint. I wear the shade Honey. You guys have seen me use this before. You already know I love it because I have dry skin. This is oil-free and it doesn't settle into fine lines. And because of the hyaluronic acid, it actually hydrates your skin for 24 hours. So I just apply it all over my skin and buff it in with my beauty blender. I love the coverage and I just think it looks so nice and fresh. Like, look at that close-up. It looks so good. So now I'm popping some eyeshadow primer on. This one's from Marc Jacobs. And then we're going to take that bronzer shade from the NARS Atomic Blonde palette, and that is going to go in the crease of the eye as our transition shade. So I built up the intensity, got it to more of a medium brown, and then I went in with this Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencil, and I'm applying this all over my entire eyelid. I'm working in small sections. It's super pigmented and it's creamy, but I want like the really intense payoff, so I apply it in little areas and then just blend it out with my finger until I get it all over my entire eyelid. Taking the shade Pear Dough from the Magic Hour palette from Oh Hi, I am just popping that all over my eyelid right on top of that eyeliner to kind of make it sparkle more. And then I took the shade Stargaze and I worked that into the crease where the eyeliner meets the crease of the eye, you know, to deepen it up. And then I went in with another Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencil and I'm popping that all over that lower lash line and then on the top lash line as well. I really want to just like rim the entire eye with that dark blue, and I'm putting it on the top lash line too, you know, just smudging it everywhere, getting a nice thick blue line. So now I'm taking the blue shade from the MAC Patrick Star collaboration, and on a flat shadow, kind of like a push liner brush, I'm just patting this in place so that the eyeliner stays longer. You don't have to do this step, but if you just want to reinforce that eyeliner and make sure it stays in place all day, put a little bit of a powder shadow on top. Now for the concealer, I'm using the Hydro Boost Hydrating Concealer from Neutrogena. I love this because it just glides onto the skin and gives a really nice natural looking coverage. This is oil-free and ophthalmologist tested, so it's safe for sensitive eyes, and it contains purified hyaluronic acid, so it's got that really nice hydrating feel on the eye as well. And then to fill in my brows, I just used the Benefit Ka-Brow, and I wear the shade number 4. For setting the concealer, I used the Laura Mercier Illuminating Translucent Powder just under the eyes and in my T-zone, just so I could prevent any concealer creasing or movement. So going back in with that bronzer shade from the Atomic Blonde palette, I'm picking that up on an angled brush and I'm really just bronzing all over my skin, hairline. I'm doing my cheeks. I'm also going to be kind of pulling it in towards the center of the face just to kind of warm up my skin a little bit more. And then I do my nose, jaw, and mouth area as well. So for blush, I'm using the shade Isadora from NARS. It's like the perfect plum. It's fleshy and looks so healthy and pretty on the skin because it's got a little bit of shimmer to it. And then to highlight all over the skin, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Beige Shimmer Brick and just lightly applying that all over the skin. I really want to look nice and dewy. To set my eyebrows, I used the Hourglass Arch Brow Gel. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Plumping Mascara. This formula contains hyaluronic acid, it is keratin enriched, and also contains vitamin E. It's hydrating and replenishes dry, brittle lashes. I like to apply this in kind of a rolling technique. I used about 3 coats on the top lashes, and then I'm also popping this on the bottom lashes as well. Now to line my lips, I'm using the MAC Strip Down Pencil. I'm doing a little bit of an overline just because I want my lips to look a little bit more plump. I'm using a nude lip gloss. This is the Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine, which also contains hyaluronic acid and instantly quenches lips with intense conditioning. So just applied that all over for a nude gloss. Just ruining my middle part. Anyway, this is the finished look. It's colorful, it's bright, I'm really happy with it. So if you guys have any questions regarding any of the products or the tools or the techniques or anything like that, just leave a comment down below. I'll always do my best to get back to you. Other than that, come follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe if you didn't earlier, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye guys.